the ambition and the importance of Baltic Blue Growth was to bring these farms together in order to really sort of make this step from research to actually really business, and to actually sort of go away from research, but to prove that the mussel farms are a way of taking out the nutrients from the Baltic Sea. So in these 3 years, the mussel farmers, but also together with the researchers, people like me, policymakers, have worked together to actually prove that this is feasible. Now with these mussel farms who are operational, we have achieved that they will keep on going after the project is over. In fact, to have mussel farms at those areas where a wastewater treatment plant is not functioning, where in fact you cannot reduce fertilizers. So it's typically certain archipelagos where in fact these mussel farms can really make a difference. So I mean, it's very difficult to second guess sort of how many mussel farms, but as I said, it's very important to take any measures. And in addition, mussel farming is of course also not only good for the sea, it's also good for the humans, because it brings employment and it brings new sort of ways of a protein source for sort of being used in fish feed or in chicken feed. So we are talking perhaps about 100, that would be already a very big move.